The 2025 Lexus IS is a striking example of how a compact luxury sedan can combine style, performance, and technology without compromise. Redesigned with sharper lines, a more aggressive stance, and a refined interior, it reflects Lexus' dedication to delivering an engaging driving experience. This isn't just a car for commuting, it's a statement vehicle that offers both comfort and excitement, proving that luxury and sportiness can coexist. Every detail, from its bold front grille to its subtle aerodynamic tweaks, has been carefully crafted to appeal to drivers who demand more from their vehicle. The 2025 IS is a car that stands out not just for what it looks like, but for how it feels behind the wheel, providing a dynamic yet comfortable experience that makes every journey memorable. Design and exterior. The exterior of the 2025 IS is bold, athletic, and unmistakably Lexus. The signature spindle grille has been enlarged and reshaped for a more aggressive look, while sharp LED headlights and sculpted side panels emphasize motion even when the car is stationary. Aerodynamic enhancements, including a subtle rear spoiler and redesigned bumper accents, improve airflow while giving the IS a sleek, modern silhouette. Available 19-inch alloy wheels add to the presence, perfectly balancing style with performance. Every angle has been refined to convey both sophistication and sportiness, making the IS look ready for the city streets, winding roads, or even the occasional track day. Interior and comfort. Step inside the 2025 Lexus IS, and the cabin immediately impresses with its blend of luxury and technology. High-quality leather, aluminum accents, and soft-touch surfaces create a premium atmosphere that rivals more expensive luxury sedans. The seats are sculpted for support and comfort, perfect for long drives or spirited weekend excursions. Lexus has expanded the infotainment system with a larger 14-inch touchscreen, seamlessly integrating navigation, audio, and vehicle settings. A 10.3-inch digital driver display provides precise information at a glance, while wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto allow easy smartphone integration. Dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and premium audio systems ensure that every ride is as comfortable and enjoyable as it is engaging. The cabin's layout is both driver-focused and family-friendly, making it versatile for daily commutes and longer trips. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus IS offers engines designed for a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The base IS 300 features a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine delivering responsive acceleration and refined handling. For drivers seeking more excitement, the IS 350's 3.5-liter V6 produces around 311 horsepower, giving the car a thrilling boost when needed. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, while all-wheel drive is available for enhanced traction and stability in varying weather conditions. The IS features a tuned suspension system that provides both precise handling and a smooth ride, allowing it to tackle city streets, highways, and winding backroads with confidence. Technology and safety. The 2025 Lexus IS is packed with advanced technology and safety features designed to protect and assist drivers. Standard and optional features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, pre-collision systems, and a 360-degree camera system, all working seamlessly to reduce stress and increase confidence on the road. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the available Lexus Inform telematics provide smartphone control and vehicle monitoring. Over-the-air software updates keep the system current, adding convenience and peace of mind. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Lexus IS is available in multiple trims to suit different needs. The base IS 300 provides essential luxury and technology starting around $41,000, while the IS 350 RWD and AWD variants offer more power and refined driving dynamics, with pricing reaching $55,000 for fully equipped F-Sport packages. Each trim combines comfort, style, and technology, allowing buyers to select the level of performance and luxury that best fits their lifestyle. From daily commuting to spirited drives, the IS offers versatility without compromise, giving drivers the best of both worlds in a compact luxury sedan package. Verdict and market impact. The 2025 Lexus IS stands out in the compact luxury sedan segment for its combination of style, comfort, performance, and advanced technology. Its bold exterior, refined interior, and responsive handling appeal to drivers who want both excitement and sophistication. In a competitive market, the IS proves that Lexus can deliver a vehicle that is thrilling to drive, luxurious to ride in, and equipped with the latest tech for safety and convenience. Whether navigating city streets, highways, or weekend escapes, the IS continues to set a benchmark for what a modern compact luxury sedan should be. From sharp styling and premium interiors to responsive performance and advanced technology, the 2025 Lexus IS proves that Lexus remains a leader in the compact luxury sedan market. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos exploring the cars shaping the roads of tomorrow.